Hey everybody, this is my 2017 Toyota 4Runner, and I decided to do a quick video about the Lasfit LEDs I put in this thing. I'm very happy. I did them about 2 months ago. Very simple. Very simple. They come with, there's 2 fans actually in them. It's kind of tough to see, but there's a fan on that dust cap, and there's also a fan on the back of the bolt. You take the old dust caps off and you replace them with the new ones. I've seen some videos where people take the battery out. You don't have to do it. You can reach your hand right in there, no problem. It took me about 30 minutes total to switch the 2 out. One's for the driver's side, one's for the passenger side. They're vehicle specific. There's no adjusting. You just lock them in and they're done. The bulbs have like 3 prongs on the back. You just take a look at the way the prongs were lined up on the originals. You push it in, you turn it about 1/4 of a turn, and it locks right in. And I will tell you this, they're super bright. Very white, super bright. Very easy to do. Also, I bought the driving lights or fog lights. I happen to get the ones that they call a switchback. And I'm gonna turn them on real quick for you right now. I think they were like $89 or $99, but the difference is amazing. When you turn them things on, you can see everything. Left to right, I don't care if you're in a woods, parkway, expressway, wherever you go, these things are bright. They pick up where the headlights take off. And then when it's rainy or foggy, you give a little flick of your high beams, or you just turn them off and turn them back on again, and they're called a switchback because they switch from white to yellow. So I just went into my truck and I just turned them off for a split second and turned them back on. They light up yellow. When it's foggy or raining, they're amazing. You wouldn't believe the difference. So this is my video. If you have any questions, I'll be monitoring the comments and I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. But I'm going to tell you, the installation for the fog lights was easier than the headlights. You don't have to take anything apart. I see people taking apart underneath and taking all this stuff in. You lay on your back, you reach up in there, you pop out the old one, you pop in the new one, and then you get a little zip tie and you zip up. There's like a little piece that comes with it. You'll see it's just a where they plug in at. I'm not exactly sure really what it is, to be quite honest with you, but where it plugs in at, you just zip that up to some other wire so it doesn't hang, and that's it. Beginning to end, all 4 lights took me less than an hour to install them, and I highly recommend it. You'll make a huge difference. You'll be able to see much better. Thanks for watching and have a great day.